This video is for you if you are a beginner at maintaining your locks and you're trying to figure out how to refresh your locks because for whatever reason you can't get to your stylist. It's also for you if you're simply not ready to have your whole head retouched again. Maybe you need a quick, simple solution to refresh your hair without untwisting your existing maintenance. If any of these scenarios sound like you're in the right place. All right, let me show you what you need so that we can begin. Are you ready? All right, everyone, this is really all that you need. I have about 7 clips, and I have bobby pins in case you don't have clips at the house. Yeah, and this is the Ginseng Essential oil spray that I like. There are different scents, and this is just one that Maya likes. I'm as excited about what isn't in it as I am about the ingredients that are in those products there. And this is our CleanerMe leave-in scalp detox and refresher that we'll be using as well. And again, none of the things that you don't want in your products. And yeah, you can just use this and feel good about it. And it's multi-purpose. And then we'll be using that to clean my scalp. And this is a light studio twist oil blend that I make for my clients as well. I'll be using the ponytail holders one of them, the smaller one, will be used to gather Maya's hair into the ponytail, and the larger one I'll be using a bit later. Now I'm just going through her scalp and I'm cleansing it with a terry cloth, and you just want to work your way up the scalp, spraying and then wiping it off. Pretty simple. You just get all in between the parts, working your way up from the nape if you can, and going row by row until you get to the front. Now I'm in the front part of her hair and just cleansing her hairline. And yes, I have a very active 4-year-old, so if you see little lint balls and things like that, make sure you just get those out. And now I'm just applying the lock twisting oil blend onto the perimeter. That's her little hairline over there. And just taking a small section, and I'm just wrapping the loose hairs close to her scalp. And I'm palm rolling it and securing it with a 2-prong clip. And I'll show you that again. You're just applying the oil to the section, gathering the loose hair. I wanted to slow it down so you guys could see it a little better. And then you secure it with a clip. And I'm using the 2-prong clips to even, just separate the hair where the part is. You can use a rat tail comb as well to do the same thing, which is helping you to define the parts. I go into a little bit more detail with that in the video that I'll be doing with how to maintain and do your loc maintenance all over. But for this refresh, you don't even have to have a rat tail comb. Honestly, you can just use your clip to do it. Just going through using the clip to define the part, wrapping that loose hair around, twisting it in the palm of my hand a bit so that I'm twisting the entire loc, and then I just stabilize it with the clip on her scalp. And when I'm doing a loc maintenance, normally I put the 2-prong clip a lot closer to the base, but however, because we will be using the larger band to secure her locs in place, I'm doing it further to the back so that there's room for us to put the band, and you'll see what I'm talking about a little later. I'm Karina Aisha, natural hair care and holistic beauty specialist. You can reach me on the web at www.karinastudio.com. Hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great one.
All right, y'all. First video. We did it. Yay!